This message is not for the weak. If you like photography, continue watching. That was a little creepy. With your mobile now. I have no idea how many times I've redone this. There's no hope, but there's hope for your pictures, I promise. Ew, I'm good, I swear. Every time I look at my work, I just get jealous of myself. Because I don't believe that I did it. But I did! See how incredible and easy this is? I swear, water is your best friend. Man, I'm jealous of myself. I'm so good at this. Fabric will be your best friend. That was terrible, but fabric's cheap. It's gonna last. Now I am using flour because I was not gonna waste my baking powder. Okay, so you gotta do what you gotta do. I swear, water is your best friend when it comes to photography. It makes everything look fancy. So continue watching and watch amazing ideas created by yours truly, me. Man, I'm amazing.